The Jackson Palmer Professional Tool Belt feels purpose-built for serious tradespeople and do-it-yourself users, with a layout that keeps essential tools close at hand on roofing, framing, or general construction jobs. Its heavy-duty polyester body, reinforced with double-stitched seams and metal rivets, gives the belt a sturdy, long-lasting feel that holds up well under daily use. The combination of 5 roomy main pockets and 4 smaller accessory pockets makes it easy to separate fasteners, hand tools, and small parts, so you're not constantly digging around. 2 dedicated hammer loops provide reliable, predictable spots for heavier striking tools, which helps balance the rig and keeps them from banging into your legs. The adjustable webbed belt and quick-release buckle make it simple to dial in a secure, comfortable fit, whether you are wearing light work pants or heavier cold weather gear. Overall, the tan and black comfort rig design offers a practical blend of durability, organization, and all-day wearability that suits electricians, carpenters, and general contractors alike.